Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. For those of you who are new to my channel, hey, my name is Evita and I love posting cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. So today I'm in my kitchen and there's no shocker there because it's always the messiest. My house has been extremely dirty and I wanted to do some spring cleaning videos where I do an extreme deep clean throughout the house. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you all would be interested in. But thank you also very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Also, leave a comment down below because it really helps my channel grow and be recommended here on YouTube. But enough chit chat, let's go ahead and tackle this hot mess. To start off, I'm just emptying the dishwasher and then I'm going to go ahead and reload it with the dirty dishes.
Patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. No more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going.
So I'm putting an apron on because I'm getting ready to clean the kitchen with bleach. Whenever I put an apron on, you guys just know that I'm cleaning with bleach. If I don't have an apron on and I'm in my kitchen, that means I'm not cleaning with bleach.
Down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. We're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want.
Let me know what you guys are doing this summer. Do you guys plan on traveling or are you just going to do stuff at home? I really want to know what people have planned for this summer because I really do not know what we're going to do. I'm still do not want to go out in the world. I don't want to stay in a hotel or anything like that. But I also don't want to be bored at home. So I just want to know what everyone's doing this summer.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul. No one else will let you down.
Playing all my melodies.
I've been using this Affresh washing machine cleaner for a while now, and I like it. I don't have any complaints about it. This is not sponsored by them, but I do like it. I don't have any complaints, so it doesn't leave a residue or anything in my washer. I think it's getting it clean. That's what it says it does, so I'm assuming that's what it does.
Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me.
That is all for this cleaning video. If you all enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos like this. But as always, thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.